TeamViewer is the tech support tool we use to access a customer's computer and fix problems. To do this, it first needs to be downloaded and installed onto your computer. TeamViewer is free to download, and you don't need to sign up for an account because we have one. To use Edge to download TeamViewer, run the Edge browser. In the address bar, type TeamViewer.com. Click Download for free. It switches to this page, and you don't need to fill anything out here. In the upper right corner of the browser, it says TeamViewer setup was blocked because it may harm your device. Well, it won't. Click these ellipsis buttons. Click Keep. Now it's downloaded it, and there is an open file link underneath the name. We want to click that. We want to click the Run button, and this will run the installation program. Now let's click Install and set up unattended access to this device. Then click the Accept button. It installs. On this page, we want to select, I want to use the free version for personal use. Then click the Finish button. And the TeamViewer program will automatically run for the first time. But in the future, when you need to run it, you can double-click the shortcut that was placed on your desktop. When it first runs, notice that it brings up this dialog box. You can click Cancel. When you run TeamViewer, it shows this screen. In order to access your computer, you will need to give us the ID and password under this section entitled Allow Remote Control. We will then connect to your computer and fix your problem.